Good morning. So, I am currently, well, that's nice. It's a nice car. I am currently driving on my way to see the guys at Heiferall. It's early, very early actually. Just dropped my mum off at work and I've just called at Morrison's. And now I'm on my way down to Heiferall. I'm just getting a bit of fuel. I'm just going to pull up here just because I'm doing the video, I don't want to be distracted. Yeah, I'm just getting a bit of fuel and then I'm coming down. I'm pretty stoked to be seeing the guys. I'm going through what I like to think as being a bit of a life-changing moment at the minute, where I am looking to get my hair done with the guys. I am a bit sceptical, I'll be honest with you, because I've seen pictures, and you've probably seen pictures on the internet, and you never know what they're going to turn out like. Are they going to look as good as they look on the pictures? Are they going to be, is the system going to be, you know, as hair-like? Is it going to be as real? There's all sorts of things. Will it fall off? Will it degrade? And there's so many different things you think about, and you know what, I am a little sceptical, so we'll see when we get there. It's a 4-hour drive. This isn't the first time I've arranged to go. I ended up rearranging just because I thought, you know, I weren't sure. But I'm gonna go and see how it turns out and see what happens. You know, it's a 4-hour drive nearly for me, including traffic, about 3.5 hours excluding traffic, etc. So I imagine it'll be about a 4-hour drive, just based on previous trips down to Bristol to the office. But Phil seems real nice. I've spoken to him on the phone a couple of times. He's really friendly. I spoke to Stuart as well. He seems really nice. So I'm hoping it's going to be quite straightforward. But I'll keep in contact with the videos, and we'll see what happens. I'll keep you updated. I might do another video when I come out of the consultation, see how it went, and we'll go from there. Speak soon. Thank you.